Here, but this is a trip. Song takes a road trip out to the Nevada desert, to a place real or imagined, called the Twisted Pine. The endless sky is far from what it seems. Cloudless horizon confining people's dreams. The rush of silence can surely blow your mind, while ravens wait to see what's left behind. Ahead across the double yellow line, gravel lot, an unlit neon sign, profile in green, a purple woody spine, tangled roots, branches held up high. Beneath the surface there's more than meets the eye, and the tangled knots of the twisted pine. Seeking shelter as the mercury starts to climb. Already 85 at a quarter to 9. Backs against the Elko County line. A sage retreat or random roadhouse dive. Familiar strangers arrive onto the scene. From nowhere and nothing, not much in between. The local news on muted TV screens. In this vacuous desert, no one hears you scream. Respite and refuge from the apocalypse outside. Home away from home, the twisted pine. Crooked road is paved with good intentions, arrows point in all directions, no guiding light, no intersection. The journey is the destination, one step forward for each you leave behind. At best break even, down at the twisted pine. Bartender keeps his cards off to the side. A nod hello, the same as one goodbye. Past transgressions need no alibi. Redemption on a 14-day free trial. The folks you see and still don't recognize. Jukebox out of tune and out of time. A straight flood flesh can't be four of a kind. Best to bend with the rules down at the Twisted Pine. No judgment and no condescension, staring at your own reflection. Enter at your own discretion. Tomorrow is an open question, turned around each time you leave behind. Always lead straight back to the Twisted Pine. Desert heat can cut thirst open wide. A touch of green can outgun native pride. A trace of silver can tear out a mountainside. Bring toxic pools, blood, and cyanide. Creature of habit, the usual is fine. Soda water and a double shot of lime. Peyote buttons, eagle feathers, and rattlesnake hides. A ghost dance with the spirits walking on fire. Learn to look straight into the light. Try to free the universe inside. Embrace the demons to negotiate the night. Follow me, get out of here alive. This crooked road is paved with good intentions. Arrows point in all directions. No guiding light, no intervention. The journey is your destination. One step forward for each you leave behind. Always lead straight back to the Twisted Pine. All right, there's a journey to the Nevada desert from this beautiful spot. Thanks so much.